Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my magnet blocks. Okay, I'm going to make a lot of fun stuff there. So I am going to make a house first, and then I think I'm going to make other stuff because other stuff are cool. Okay, so I need this, and then I'll make the walls. I'm making the walls right now. Don't fall. Sometimes you need to hold the magnet blocks. That's why I call them magnet blocks. Because they are called that, I'm sure. They are. I didn't know what I'm doing. Let me show them yourself. No, show them your face. Okay, fine. You can talk. They can only hear your voice.
Okay.
Okay, that looks good, right, Mommy?
It looks really good.
Okay. So now I'm just going to do this to it because I think it looks cool. Ooh, it's starting to look like a mansion. Kind of. Right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, 2 floors.
Yep. Fancy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, actually, I think this is going to be the roof, I think. Kind of. I don't know if it is or not. You want to play with me, Mommy?
No, you can play. Show us.
We can set it up right there.
Build something cool.
Ah! That always happens. I go in the wrong place. Okay. Looks better. Looks better. Oh man, I should have done something else.
You're gonna break it.
Ah! Okay. Whatever, I'll build something else. Okay. I don't know why I want to make. Oh! I know. This is the best thing ever to build. Red. Find all the reds. Oh wait. Okay, so I'm gonna make a tower full of the right colors in the rainbow.
Oh, cool.
Yep. Okay, red. Orange. Yellow. Okay, yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow. It's kind of looking like the rainbow, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, yellow. Green, blue, purple. Okay, green. This is looking right.
Mm-hmm.
Green. Blue, and then purple. Ugh. Not looking that good.
It's
My
all right.
fall seam.
just lean it the other way a little bit. There you go.
Okay. Purple now. Purple, purple.
Last one. It's okay.
If I knock this down, will it be not beautiful?
Just put the top one on. No, just put the top one on.
No, like this.
Nice.
Oof.
Ta-da!
It's a treehouse.
Rainbow Tower.
Do you love it? Smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you love this. Like, if you do, look. I love it. I love it. It looks so great. Just add some more.
You're gonna knock it over.
I
Yoop.
just hope I don't.
Yoop.
Why are you making me
Yoop.
sad if it might?
Yoop. Just giving you a warning.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm the master of doing stuff. Oh my gosh. I like Jay. I'm doing this side. Can you see me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm good, I can see. Oh man. Okay. Don't have enough pieces. See, it's all empty. But there we go. If you like these two, then smash that like button a time and hit the subscribe button one time. And then this, all the people can subscribe. Everyone can. Okay. I'm gonna knock this over now and then the video will be done.
Okay.
Ready? Set.
Oh man.
It's all ruined. Okay. You guys want to help me clean up? Yeah, I will. Watch
No.
me clean up.
No, the people at home don't want help.
I'm a
clean.
helper. I'm a community helper. No. Okay.
You doing any shout outs?
Oh yeah, shout outs. Okay. Wait, when I'm done cleaning this up, I'll do shout outs. Or maybe I can do a couple shout outs now, and then when I'm done cleaning up, I can do a couple more.
Do them while you're cleaning up.
Okay, so the first shout out goes to Timothy, and the second
I was
shout
gonna
out
say him,
goes
yeah.
to April, and the third shout out goes to Daddy, and the fourth shout out goes to Aunt Jamie.
Wait, what about somebody whose birthday is today?
And the shout out goes to Mommy because she's turning 42 years
Sure.
old today.
I'm turning black.
What are you saying?
Don't tell people how old I am.
Hey, why not? She's turning that many years old. Stop. Why? Will they embarrass
No, man,
me?
this is super long.
Okay,
Nobody needs to know how old I am.
okay. Because that's just boring. Okay. I think I was on the 5th shout out. So the 6th shout out goes to the 3rd shout out goes to
The third, you just said the sixth.
oh yeah, the 6th shout out goes to Kara. And the 7th shout out goes to Sarah. And the 8th shout out goes to Allie. Okay, bye. I'll put these away.